Welcome to all. S Union High School and Junior College. Lesson number 6, Natural Region.
Hello student. Today I am going to teach you lesson number 6, Natural Region. We are going to start with the lesson number 6, Natural Regions. Now, in front of you, you are going to see one picture which is given in the textbook also, and we are going to discuss what they are telling in that picture. Now see, first question is, why are all the house types shown in the picture are not seen in our surrounding? See, we are living in the Pune, so such type of house we cannot find in our surrounding. After that, which are the regions where such type of houses are found? You know the regions like equatorial, hot desert region, taiga region, tundra region. You know the name of region, and they are asking us which are the region where such type of houses are found. Then, would you like to stay in a house built of ice? Obviously, your answer will be no. Why don't we build such houses? Why we don't build such houses? Because we are not adapt to that particular region, or we are having habit of living in that region. What brings out difference in people's clothing? Now each and everyone has his own life of living, own style of eating food. See, you take example of our state only, that is Maharashtra. In Maharashtra, you can find out the staple food of people living in Maharashtra. They are eating the bhakris. They are also eating chapati, vegetables. In India also many people eat this only. But here they are telling that according to the atmosphere, according to the condition, according to their region where they are living, the food is also depending upon the areas and the region where you are living. Then next they are telling what brings out difference in people clothing. The people living in the different state also, you can find the people living in different state, they are dressing up in the different way. In the foreign country also, you can find that the dressing style of the people is totally different. And in here you can find out the dressing style of Maharashtra people is also different. When you go in the Tamil Nadu, there also you can find that the women's and men's, their dress is totally different. After that, where do you think coos, insect and ants also form a part of the diet of the people? That we cannot find in India. That depends upon the region where the people like to eat that, and they are used to that atmosphere. Then, can the animal from polar regions like polar bears and penguins be kept in tropical zoo? Are all plants shown in the pictures found in our surrounding? They are telling these plants can be found in our surrounding. If not, where do you think they can be found? So you all have to do the discussion and we have to find it. We are going to see the geographical reason behind this. This you have to discuss among your friends and find out. Now the geographical reason behind this I am going to explain you. There exists a large number of different things in the world. See children, there exists a large number of difference in the world. Clear? After that, what they are telling, there exists a large number of different things in the world. Then those we see in our surrounding, mean the thing which is existing in the world that we can see in our surrounding also. We see different educational and informative TV program about wildlife. See, nowadays on your TV channel you can see the geographical channel is also there, and different channel on Discovery channel also you can see the animal life, where they are living, how they are living, what they are eating. Means everything you are getting the information through the TV and the different channels. Then they are telling us TV program about the wildlife. In the TV you can see about the program of the wildlife. We become curious to know more about this wildlife. See, when we are watching it, we are very curious to know about the wildlife of that particular animal or different thing, whichever we are seeing on that. Why is this wildlife not seen in our area? Why are they not similar to the wildlife found in our area? They will not be similar. So why it is not similar? What caused this difference? Let us try to find the reason behind all this through the geographical reason. So we are going to find out the reason behind this. Means what is the geographical reason behind this? Clear? Now let us start with the geographical explanation. There are difference in terms of landforms, climate and soil. There are difference in terms of landform, climate, soil, etc. in different part of the world. I mean, they are telling that there is a difference in the terms of landform, climate, soil, etc. in the different part of the world. This difference is mainly due to the availability of sunlight. I mean, this difference is due to the availability of sunlight and water in that region. Main thing is that the difference is mainly due to the availability, means at the what level, at what quantity the water is there in that region, and as well as the sunlight is there in that region. The availability of sunlight and water keeps on changing from the equator to the poles. Means here they are telling us that there are the difference in the terms of landforms, climate, soil in different parts of the world. This difference is mainly due to the availability of sunlight and water in that region. Means availability of water should be there in that region. Means the availability of sunlight and water keeps on changing from the equator to the poles. You have studied this in the previous standard. Means in the 6th standard you have learned that the availability of sunlight and water keeps on changing from equator to the poles. You have studied this. Difference in landforms, climate and soil. Difference in the landform, climate and soil is greatly influence the flora, fauna and human life and give rise to the variation in the biodiversity in different part of this world. In short, it is telling that difference in the landform, soil and climate, they are greatly influence in the flora, fauna and human life and give rise to the variation in the biodiversity in the different parts of the world. Clear? After that, on the other hand, there are similarities of climate, vegetation and animal life in different continents. On the other hand, there are similarities, mean there is a similarities of climate, vegetation and animal life in different continents that spread between certain latitude. Mean they are spreading between certain latitudes. These similarities stand out as the distinct feature of this region. As this region stand out on the basis of natural factor, they are called natural region. What they are called? They are called as natural region. It is called as natural region. Again I am repeating. On the other hand, there are similarities of climate, vegetation and animal life in different continents that spread between the certain latitudes. These similarities stand out as the distinct feature of this region. Keep in mind what I am telling you. Keep the words in the mind. As this region stand out on the basis of natural factor, they are called natural region. They are called as natural region. The natural environment of such region, affect the living world. They are affecting the living world, including human being, means including us. The entire land area on the earth can be divided into this natural region. Including us, it can be divided into this natural region. So, let us try to understand their distribution with the help of map and table given in this lesson, which you are going to see.